we noticed that we have an error in getting the images into our app. And we have some errors here. If you see to the right, the HTML codes will appears in the news. So we will fix these two errors, continue fixing them, and let me see if we have set the featured image inside the recycler view. Inside the WordPress. We have not set it because if we go to the JSON file, we are getting a null and have an empty string. So there is no image displayed inside these posts. Now let's go to the post and get to. I have replaced this. I have set it before. So I have to add the featured image inside every post. So I am updating the posts here. And last thing, I need to update the Android post, set featured image, and this is good. And I will click update the post. Now, copy the JSON file. Okay, go to the validator, paste it, process, and get the pretty format. Let me minimize this, and let me minimize the source logo. And here we go. The image has been appeared and having the local host for the emulator. So I hope now it will work because everything is getting good. The JSON is having an image and we are using the image inside the local host of the emulator. And here we go, guys. Everything is working fine. Congratulations. We have passed these tricks. So guys, remember, you are making a very important and very complex application. If you understand these concepts, you are understanding many advanced concepts, many advanced things that you may encounter in real life, in your company, in your job, even in your hobby or your own app. Now let's remove an HTML codes that appears here. I have created a ready-made method. I will paste it here that will remove the HTML tags. So when the news or the post start with an HTML code, this method will remove it and return the news without these HTML codes. So I create a private string, remove HTML, string HTML, and replace all. And this is the method. You can get it by downloading the source code in the link below from the resources on our Udemy course. So this is the method. Okay, this will replace everything with an empty string. I need to add return HTML. This is the string that it will return. Now check the description for the source code. Everything on this channel, every source code will be found on our Udemy course. Every Udemy course video is or section have its own source codes inside the resources folder. So go and check them. Now let's move up. And let me add the method here, remove. Okay, what's happening? Okay, I am making it private. I should make it public. Okay, let me see if I have added it into the correct place, the method in the correct place. Remove HTML. Okay, let me check. Going back, I need to cut this and paste it underneath under the curly braces. I have put it in the wrong class. Okay, in the private. Remove HTML. Here it appears. Now get title, single news.get title. Okay, and in the same way I need to remove HTML and put it inside, pass it as single news.get post content and get title, and everything will work fine. Okay, so this is our application. It's having no errors inside the news text, so we are getting the news and we are getting the image correctly. Okay, so perfect, guys. We are making a very good application, very complex application, and we deserve from you a 5 stars review on Udemy and Play Store on Master Coding application. So don't be sorry for disturbing you and may telling you that to rate us, but your opinion, and we hope and we like to see the users and you and the inputs and the reviews from you and positive reviews. So thank you, guys. I hope you subscribe